Sopot appears to be the most deserving of all the seashore towns competing to be Poland's summer capital. Sunny beaches, the longest wooden pier in Europe, and the vibrant nightlife offered by the area's minibars, taverns and clubs make this a terrific vacation spot. The smallest town in the three-city metropolis is Sopot, which is located halfway between Gdansk and Gdynia. Sopot is a fantastic place to start your tours of Gdansk because of its proximity. With only 40,000 residents, it is a small community compared to the 2 million summer visitors. Many of them are attracted by the Sopot International Song Festival, which takes place at the Forest Opera House every August and is the biggest event of its kind in Europe after the Eurovision. Sopot has a variety of recreational and sporting amenities, such as tennis courts, water slides and locations for beach football competitions. The pristine and sandy beaches in Sopot can also completely satisfy your need for a simple life spent enjoying the sun. The summer theater can be found practically at the ocean if the heat becomes intolerable. This town doesn't get much sleep, especially during the summer when its nightclubs are crowded. Sopot tries to uphold its traditions, including its 1920s-era casino and a sizable number of chic restaurants and evocative pubs, none of which should let down even the most affluent patrons of such establishments. There are also lovely quiet spots away from the busy Monsiak Boulevard, where you can find Art Nouveau villas, relaxing parks, and woodlands pierced by stunning ravines. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The Baltic Sea shore is where Sopot is located, which contributes to its attractiveness. The beach is along the foot of a large scarp that divides the town in two, high to the west and low to the east. Ancient beech, oak and pine forest with numerous brooks intersecting them cover much of Sopot's rugged terrain. Sopot also is a fantastic health resort due to its mineral water springs and favorable environment, as well as the Hel Peninsula's shelter from the strong ocean winds. The 14-kilometer bike ride between Sopot and Gdansk is a fantastic opportunity to take in the Baltic coast attractions. In Sopot you can rent a bike, and Gdansk is plenty of locations where you can lock up your bike while you explore. The easy path winds through the town's park and follows the beach for almost an hour before reaching the historic port city of Gdansk. On the way to the old town you'll pass through a Russian tank and the Grand train station, as well as many other artifacts of Gdansk past. You can take your bike back to Sopot on the railway if you are too exhausted or full to ride your bike home.
She said